There is an expectation among some students when they start a law degree that what they're going to study is memorizing cases and creating a tiered structure of all the laws in the world, and that they will be assessed based on either essay writing or strict exams. And that's not the world today. The Student Lawyer Project is an opportunity that we give our students once in each semester to pause their studies and instead work together in a team of students, taking some information, translating it, and communicating it in an effective way, helping them to develop commercial skills as well as legal skills to make them future-facing graduates.
So the two main things that it focuses on is creativity and self-awareness, because it's important to understand what exactly you want to do in the future, and it helps you explore your options further, not just about the academics, but it's really about you.
They do, for example, a poster, and then they do a video. And the poster is not an academic conference poster, but it's also not just an A4 thing for their mates. And then the video, we've had them do a social media reel, so that the social media reel is interesting and engaging and entertaining, but also informative and relevant and useful.
I think I prefer it rather than writing down and doing essays, because that's what we do in every single module of ours, writing essays, reading a lot. So that was kind of like a fun side of it. It was a really lovely experience for me as an individual, and I'm sure it was a lovely experience for my team members as well.
It's kind of putting your academic learning into something a bit more practical, targeting a wider set of skills than your normal essay and assessment. I think we get used to that, and it kind of like, it's very repetitive, but we enjoyed it. It was exciting and it was a bit of competition, so I think it did motivate us a bit more.
I feel as though being creative is something that people usually hide, and it's very hard for people to actually bring out their creative side. It kind of made me understand, like I can actually use my art skills, my creative skills in a legal career.
And so what we've tried to do with our projects is recognize that we've got 3 or 4 opportunities for these students to practice different ways of communicating to different audiences.